Okay guys, I pulled off the side of the road here to pick some blackberries. No luck. I don't know if I'm just too early in the season, but yeah, I'm just not having any luck. But I see a little side road. It doesn't look like anybody's property. Like sometimes there'll be a mailbox or some kind of marker, but I do see a little side road that I'm gonna try to take, and it's called Anna's Adventures for a reason, right? So let's go ahead and adventure in. You guys are going in with me for the first time, so I don't know what to expect, and we will adventure together. Okay, here we go. Let me turn the camera around. So this is where I'm at, and I have to be really careful because I'm facing the wrong way of traffic. And then there's it's not a blind corner. I mean, I can see, but I've got to do this super quickly. So I'm going to turn into this little turn off right there. All right, so it's going to take some, so what I normally would do is I would wait until I see the cars that pass. And then I know there's an opening, because they usually come in, you know, like groups. Mainly I'm worried about the one in front. Let's do it. Come on, let's do it. No guts, no glory, right? Woo. My turn. Okay. Ooh. All right, let's see. Okay, the trees look kind of low. That's my only concern. I can pull in there. Okay, let's see. Yeah, those trees are too low. I can go on this side though. Ooh. Okay, so far so good. Oh, that did not sound good. Not sound good. As long as no one's back here. Looks like someone has been back here. Oh, look it. There's a little trail. I did see a river along here. We definitely can't drive that way. That's too low. But I can pull in and then back it up. You never want to block yourself in. You want to be able to get out if somebody comes in. So what I'm looking at is my backup camera. Yeah, I can definitely back it up some more. That tree's getting a little close. Yeah, I want to walk down there and see what we have. Since I'm alone, I definitely want to have my nose pointing out. I wish I had one of those orange cones, big orange cones. I'd put it right at the entrance. It would let somebody know, like, don't come in here. It's blocked off. It's supposed to rain all day. We are in the rainforest, right? Yes, we are. So I just always want to make sure that I'm somewhere where there aren't going to be any trees falling on my rig, you know. Okay, we're good. Look how pretty though. Fire pit here, I'm not going to need it. I don't think there's any trees behind me, so I can back up a little bit more. but I want to check out that little trail. Turn my lights off. Don't need to alert anybody that we're here. But I'm just gonna temporarily park right here. Yeah, maybe not right here. I need space to get out without jumping into a puddle. I was just level there though. Okay, here we go. Okay. Sorry, I'm just thinking. I'm thinking if somebody comes in, I'm thinking I need to get to my rig quickly. I'm thinking I don't want anybody to see me from the road. You know, all these things are going through my mind. So, but we don't know. You know, sometimes you might not see a vehicle, but someone could be walking. I've seen so many people walking. The Walking Dead walking. That it's concerning, you know. So I'm definitely gonna take a weapon with me. Need the window down a little bit for her. I always keep this right by my, well, right next to my seat. You guys know what that is. So I'll take that. That's easy to take. Sorry, Rex, did I scare you? All right. Let's go check out down by the river. So, again, I've never been here. You guys are going along with me for the first time. I'm gonna leave her because I don't know what's back there. I'm gonna scope it out first. Ooh, muddy, muddy. I don't think there's bears here. So I don't think I need to, well, yeah, there actually is. There are bears in the rainforest. I think you still need to be bear aware. We also have a whistle. I don't want to blow it in your ear. I'm just trying to make noise. Ooh, look at this. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, yes. Another great location. It's a little slippery, a little muddy. Oh, man. I bet you there's elk here. I mean, any kind of animal, really. I don't see any tracks. But, ooh, ooh, ooh. There, I did it. Oh, look at this. Down by the river. There are some rocks here, so I can step on these to get across. Oh my goodness, look at this. Is this beautiful or what? Wow. Oh yeah. And when the sun comes out, oh my god, it's gonna be gorgeous. What is that? Oh yes. Look at all the little tadpoles. My son would love this. When I used to take him down to the creek and stuff, he would collect little tadpoles. Look at them. Don't those turn into frogs? Those aren't fish. City girl here. Oh, wow. I love the fact that it's wide and it's running. I want to go over there. It's just that this is so slippery. I have to be really super careful. I can see all the moss and everything. So I'm gonna have to walk on these rocks. I'm so glad I didn't bring Roxy. Ooh. Be careful, Anna. Well, ooh, what's the worst that could happen? fall in the water. I get wet. I change my clothes. Look at this. I'm looking for animals. I'm looking for anything that could trample me. I have seen herds of elk down by this river, so hope the wind is not blowing into the camera too much. There's a little bit of a breeze. Wow. You can hear the road noise, but it's not constant. It's not a lot of it. Wow. Yeah, this is a place where you want to bring a group of your friends, you know? This is nice. Very nice. I bet that water's cold. I don't see any animal droppings. Let's feel the water. Not too bad. Not too bad. I expected it to be colder. It is not that cold. You can see the mist in the air. Yeah, when I left this morning, I left the campsite at the beach. It was raining this morning.